Hi, welcome to this lesson. This lesson is the end of the electricity one topic, and it's about analysing circuits. So please date your work. I'm going to date mine, 3rd of March 2020. Objectives. I can predict current and potential difference in series and parallel circuits. So what this lesson is all about really is bringing together all the skills that we've used in analysing circuits so far. So if all the bulbs, so here's a circuit down here. If all the bulbs are the same, what is the PD across each bulb? Is this a series or a parallel circuit? Take a moment, maybe pause the video, and then I'll come back with the answer. Okay, here we are. This is actually it might look a little bit like a parallel circuit, but these are just voltmeters, so no current goes through here. So this is actually just got one circuit. Again, like I often do, there's the positive, there's the negative, here's the current flowing through the circuit, and the only way it can go is go here, here, through there, all the way down there. What's the PD across each bulb? Well, if all these bulbs are the same, then the potential difference here must equal the potential difference here, here, and here. But they're all the same. Each one of these is getting 2 volts. So that's the only way. Those 3 lots of 2 volts make 6 volts. Is this series or parallel? Well, there's only one pathway. So if you remember, that means a series circuit. Let's go over the page. That's for your working. Okay, what are we looking at here? Again, this is a series circuit. There's the current flowing here. All answers to 3 significant places. Calculate the total resistance of the circuit. Okay. R tot equals R1 plus R2 plus R3, because it's series. In this case, 9 plus 12 plus 4. 9 and 4 is 13, which equals 25 ohms. Calculate 25 ohms. There we go. Put that in down there. Calculate the current in here. Current in here. Well, giving away the next part of the question, but the current here is going to be the same as the current over here. There's only one current in this circuit because it's a series circuit. So I'm going to use, for this one, I'm going to write down Ohm's law, V equals IR. I'm going to rearrange that. You remember the triangle. If you need the triangle still, you could do V IR. Cover that up. I equals V over R. And let's put the numbers in then. Well, in the whole of this circuit, we have 20 volts. The resistance of the circuit we just calculated is 25 ohms. 20 divided by 25 is 0.8. 0.8 coulombs per second, but we don't normally say that. We normally say 0.8 amps. Calculate current as above, as I mentioned, because it's a series circuit. Use Ohm's law to calculate the potential difference across the 9 ohm resistor. Well, we've just calculated here, haven't we, what this current is. This current is 0.8 amps. And this current here is 0.8 amps. The flow of electrons in is equal to the flow of electrons out, that's really saying. What happens is these electrons are giving up their energy as they flow through. So let's apply Ohm's law here. V equals IR. We've been asked to calculate the potential difference. That's V. So let's multiply this together. 0.8 amps times 9 ohms. 0.8, still got that on my calculator. 0.8 times 9, 7.2. 7.2 volts. Draw a voltmeter on the circuit to measure the potential difference across the 12 ohm and the 4 ohm resistor combined. Okay, so there's a 12 ohm. So there must be a voltage here. Voltmeters, we turn back, look. Voltmeters always go in parallel. That's the voltmeter over that bulb, that's the voltmeter over that bulb, that's the voltmeter. So, what do we want to do? A voltmeter across the 12 and the 14. Boom, there we go. Do that V there. That should do the job. There's my voltmeter. What would be the reading on this voltmeter? Well, let's just analyse our circuit a bit here. I've got 20 volts from the cell. I know I'm dropping 7.2 here. So these must take the difference. And the extra difference between 7.2 and 20. So what would be the reading? It would be 20 minus 7.2. 20 minus 7.2, 12.8 volts. Okay, I'm going to split this video into two parts to make it easy to upload, and see you in the next video.